Brothers Bistro. Recipes so simple, even a dude can make it.
Ha-ha!
We're back.
That's right.
I'm Skinny Kenny.
And I'm Musclehead Ken.
And
we're
we're
the Klar brothers. Welcome to
Brothers
Bistro. What do we got going on tonight, brother?
Well, we're doing something fancy tonight. Did you notice my hat?
Wow, mine too.
Yeah.
They said it was covering your bald spot, but for me, I didn't have one to
I know.
cover. So
We had to get an extra large one for you to go over your knucklehead. Yeah, that's right. We're doing something super fancy tonight.
What is it?
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. It's surf and turf, right?
Okay,
That sounds fancy enough,
Okay,
right?
that does.
But we're going to add some creamy Cajun sauce.
All right. But is it simple? Does it meet our criteria?
It's super simple.
So super yummy,
Yep.
super simple,
Yep.
even a dude can make it.
That's right. We're going to show you. You're going to see what the ingredients come out. There's hardly anything to this.
All right. Well, I'm looking forward to it because I'm getting hungry.
I'm pretty hungry too, and the only complicated thing about this recipe is we're actually going to be cooking on the barbecue, we're going to be cooking in the oven, and we're going to be cooking on the stove at the same time. So you do have to. You might want to get an assistant. I got Musclehead Kev,
And I got Skinny Kenny
Yeah.
as my technical assistant.
Yeah.
So with that, we'll be right back to show you how simple this recipe really is. Wow, brother!
Yeah, we're back.
We're back.
Right.
This looks pretty easy. I mean, there isn't much in front of me.
Right, I told you. Look, we got a little surf.
Right.
Oh, sorry, surf.
And turf.
You got the turf.
Right. So let's walk through this a little bit. So I'm going to take this lean sirloin steak. It's usually about 2.5 ounces because we're doing half of our meal for the surf and half for the surf and turf.
So 2.5 ounces per serving.
Yeah. So and this is probably about 2 or 3 servings, but this is a good piece of meat that we get that was small. We season it up. Remember, on one side.
And we're still looking for that endorsement deal, McCormick's.
That's right. McCormick's. This is your
Montreal
Montreal steak seasoning.
Yum.
All right. So we season it up. We put it on the grill at about 350 to 400. And our Rectech, we can stick the probe in the thick part of the meat.
Yeah.
And we cook it till it's 140 for us. That's medium rare. We'll pull it off a little bit because it keeps cooking. And then Ken's going to tell us about the surf.
Well, yeah. So the surf is a shrimp. We got these.
I thought shrimp was pink, buddy.
Jumbo shrimp. Well, it turns pink when you
What?
after you fry it up. Yeah.
Wow.
So this is uncooked.
Right.
It's deveined and detailed and all that.
no
stuff.
shell.
No shell. Right. So to maximize the ease.
All right.
So these were actually in the frozen section. We've been thawing them out here
Right,
for a little
right,
bit,
right.
and we're gonna fry those up in a pan. With
Yeah.
a little bit of olive oil.
Right, a little bit of olive oil. And then we're going to make our Cajun sauce. We've made our Cajun sauce super, super simple. We got our product placement.
Yeah, we got BOLTHOUSE Farms avocado, cilantro avocado
Dressing.
and then we got our McCormick's Louisiana Cajun.
That's right.
And this is a powder. We're going to sprinkle that in. We'll walk you through that. A little bit of this and a little
Pretty
bit of
simple.
that.
It's basically like a 2-to-1 ratio.
Yep.
And you put it in there and you can drizzle it over the top. But we're going to kind of walk you through. And then we got our asparagus.
Right, so we got the asparagus bundle, right? We just got a big old bundle from the grocery store. We're going to spread this out on this cookie sheet you see here. We're going to first spray them with a little bit of Pam. This is like an olive oil Pam, so it's not the actual
Pam, are you listening?
Yeah.
Who makes Pam, buddy?
Pam. I don't know who makes Pam. Pam.
Pam,
Yeah.
Pam, are you listening?
Yeah.
So
And then we're going to put a little cheese on it because
we got to cheese it up, right?
So,
yeah. So with that, let's get our stuff ready. I'll go to the grill with this. You go to the oven with that.
yeah, the only
We'll be
thing I
ready to
forgot
go.
to say was the oven is preheating right now at 425.
Okay.
So we're getting ready to go. The Rectech is preheating at 400.
Right.
So and of course we'll just turn on the stove for the shrimp and we're good to go.
Right. And it shouldn't take more than, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes or something to get all of this stuff cooked. It kind of all cooks at the same time. So with that, we'll bring it out to you when we're gonna cheese it up and sauce it up.
Right.
We'll show you what that looks like, and then we'll be here to show you the plated version.
Yep. We'll be back in just a few.
Wow, buddy! Check it out!
Well, look how pink the shrimp got.
Yeah, they aren't blue or gray or whatever color they were.
And the asparagus turned out pretty good. We sprayed them lightly with a little olive oil. They're out just a little bit early, but they're pretty close actually. And we're gonna add a little cheese, and we're gonna cheese it up.
Cheese it up.
Yeah.
So and we're gonna sauce it up.
And we got the sauce here. It's maybe a little hard to see, but basically you want kind of 4 parts of the avocado cilantro dressing, 1 part of the Cajun seasoning.
Well, it's actually 2 to 1, but that's okay.
No, it's not 2 to 1. It's not. It's 1 to 4.
Okay.
Yeah. We did 2 tablespoons per serving and half a tablespoon.
Oh, I guess that's why you're the mathematician.
That's right. That's
Okay.
right.
All right. So let's go ahead and do this thing without any further ado. I'm gonna cheese it up a little bit.
And I'm gonna
Ken's gonna sauce
in
it
the
up.
sauce.
He's gonna sauce it up. I'm gonna cheese it up, and we're gonna put these babies back in the oven because the grill is still going with our meat. And when we come back, we're gonna show you what the finished product looks like, and we'll put it on our plates. It'll be super yummy.
Yeah. So now that I got that dumped in here, now I'm gonna kind of spread it around in the pan and get that Cajun sauce all over all the shrimp, and then we're gonna put it back on the stove for a little bit, so that because the sauce is cold, you know, it wasn't warm.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna put it back on there just for a little bit, just like we are with the asparagus.
That's right. We'll be right back in a jiffy. We'll show you the steak finished, and we'll show you this stuff kind of finished, and we'll put it on a plate. It'll be awesome.
Oh yeah, can't wait. See, I told you, bro.
It looks pretty good.
I know, and it's super simple, right?
Yeah.
So we basically got 3, combined ingredients here, right?
All right.
We got the steak,
Okay, I got the steak.
and you're gonna cut up 3.5 ounces, more or less. We think we maybe got 3 servings there, and not 2. And you're gonna put it on the plate.
We
Okay.
have another plate.
Yeah.
We'll have one left over just
Right.
in case. It's pretty. We
Okay.
like ours a little rare, so it's
Now
a
we
little bit
got
on the rare side.
Woo! Now we got the shrimpy. You got it?
I got it.
Okay.
Let me get a little bit more here.
Okay.
That's probably good.
Okay.
And then let's get the asparagus on there.
Now we got the asparagus, so we got some tongs here. The asparagus. We got 1.
Okay.
Right.
All right.
So put these things away. Now we got to try it, right? How does that look? That looks pretty yummy. All right, I'll cut you up a shrimp, and you cut me up a little steak.
You don't need to cut it up. Just stuff it in my mouth.
Did I stab you? I tried.
Wow.
Is that good?
Super yummy.
Holy cow.
Guys, super simple. I mean, this didn't take us long at all. A few simple ingredients. Remember that BOLTHOUSE, the Cajun seasoning, and just some Parmesan cheese. I mean, really nothing, right?
Yeah.
Nothing to it.
Yeah, super
simple.
simple. We actually spent more time in the grocery store than we did working over the meal.
Yep. So you got to check it out. You got to check out our other recipes. You got to smash the like.
Turn
Give
on
us a thumbs
notifications,
up.
give us a thumbs up, all that stuff. Make sure you check us out on YouTube.
That's
That's
right.
our home.
Awesome.
We'll see you next time.
See ya.
Brothers
Brothers
Bistro.
Bistro. Out.